but the love. Shiffai.
Why the rich and the favor that have been the ball to me, that kind of selfish behavior not tolerable. Yeah, the Lord gave to some, to others He gave none. Those with some gotta have those with none. That's the way the Lord intended it to be. Just to test only you so He can see. Those who want to play well, refusing to share. Now do they deny their favors? Do they care? Solidarity is to be promoted. Listen to the wise words being coded. Do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor. Do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor. Yeah, the duty of the righteous to pay the poor. They do secrecy is purposeful. If not clarity followed by integrity, meaning exalt is calumny. They those affected by timidity. Now see that know their body marks. They do not ask of man with ability. Their burden is their dignity. If you help the needy, know the Lord aware, and you shall be pleased, cause the Lord is fair. Enough for witness, He was there. Got more than you need, and you got to share. And the Lord don't play with that right there. Paid my day, He hope you yeah. Do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor. Do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor. Some rather sit what you suffer instead of letting you ahead. Big news, this is nowadays, friends. They want to play with in the sand, thought they put right in the head. Somebody's yes they can. Let not those who hold up silver and gold things good for them shall be hated up and over. They have Coca-Cola can. Hope you do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor. Do a favor for a neighbor. Hey sugar, do a favor for a neighbor.
Do a favor. Do it after needy. It's a duty.
Do a favor for a neighbor.
Go ahead, do it. You already know what it is. I'll Shiffai.
Do a favor for a neighbor.
Yeah.